Hey, it's Thursday and here's your weekly Cyber Snapshot. This week, a notorious extortion gang is putting the squeeze on a Dutch telecom giant, and Anthropic just dropped a security tool that has the whole InfoSec world talking. Let's start with a story that should concern anyone running firewall infrastructure. Amazon's security team has revealed that a Russian-speaking threat actor used commercial AI tools to compromise over 600 FortiGate firewalls across 55 countries, all within a 5-week window between January and February this year. What makes this attack stand out is that the attacker is believed to be relatively low-skilled and didn't exploit any zero-day vulnerabilities. Instead, they scanned for exposed management interfaces, brute-forced weak credentials lacking MFA, and then used AI to write custom scripts that analyze stolen configurations, map networks, and planned lateral movement. Next, the ShinyHunters extortion group has claimed responsibility for breaching Odido, one of the largest telecom providers in the Netherlands. Odido initially disclosed the incident on the 12th of February, confirming attackers had accessed a customer contact system and obtained personal data belonging to 6.2 million current and former customers. ShinyHunters are stating they actually stole data on 8 million customers and are sitting on 21 million records in total. They've set a ransom deadline of this Thursday and are demanding a 7-figure sum, or they'll publish everything on the dark web. From the Netherlands to France, where the government has confirmed a serious breach of its national bank account registry. In late January, an attacker used stolen credentials belonging to a civil servant to access the database, which lists all bank accounts held at French banking institutions. Around 1.2 million accounts were exposed, with data including account holder names, addresses, IBANs, and in some cases, tax identification numbers. It's worth highlighting that this follows a separate December breach of the French Interior Ministry, again using stolen credentials. Is this a pattern forming? Now for a story with a different angle. This week, Anthropic announced Claude Code Security, a new capability built into the Claude Code product that scans software code bases for vulnerabilities and suggests targeted patches for human review. To prove the concept, Anthropic pointed their Claude Opus 4.6 model at open source projects and uncovered over 500 high-severity vulnerabilities that had evaded detection for years. Incredibly, some cybersecurity stocks actually dipped on this news, with concerns about disruption to the sector. Others, more sensibly, point out this is a defense-first tool that complements existing security practices rather than replaces them. And finally, a law enforcement win. Spanish authorities have completed the dismantling of a hacktivist group calling itself Anonymous Phoenix, arresting 4 members now in total. The group had launched a wave of DDoS attacks against Spanish government organizations. 2 group leaders were arrested back in May last year, and this week, 2 more were detained. All 4 face charges related to cybercrime and disruption of public services. And that's it for this week. Join us for next week's Cyber Snapshot.